Hello, this is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Christmas card using the Celebration Tidings bundle from the Plaid Tidings suite. So here are the supplies, and I used the Plaid Tidings Designer Series paper, which is currently on sale for 15% off. There's also 14 other Designer Series papers that are on sale as well, making 15 in total for 15% off. Pretty cool. Plaid Tidings papers include Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's. And here's the bundle: Celebration Tidings and Celebration labels. So you've got Halloween, Fall, Christmas, and Valentine's, as well as 5 stitched labels in 5 sizes. And stitching is on the inside and outside, as well as some cute little dies for your spiders and your hearts, and some extra dies as well. So I'm going to start with the Plaid Tidings paper. Got this Christmas design here that I'm just going to attach with my Stampin' Seal. Stampin' Seal is nice and smooth and makes it super easy to stick down my paper. I think I've got this upside down, so I will put it right side up. And then I've got this window that I've already cut out, and I'm going to use some dimensionals to pop this up. So I'm going to put one in each corner, and then I'm going to put one on the sides just to help support the sides. But I'm going to use the mini dimensionals for the sides. They're just going to fit better on the sides for me. So we'll just do the mini ones here on each side. And then I've trimmed this piece of cherry cobbler cardstock a tiny bit smaller than my piece of Plaid Tidings Designer Series paper, so that you will be able to see it on the edges. It will peek through, as well as in between the window, inside the window. So let's see, this last one right there. So I'm going to try to place it in the center as much as possible. Okay, so that's the base of my card here. So I'm just going to, next, I'm going to stamp using shaded spruce on shaded spruce. And I'm going to use this Christmas design right here. And I'm just going to grab a piece of scrap paper here that I have, just to kind of make sure that I like to keep my my other underneath paper, my grid paper, clean. So I'll put all that away. Now I'm gonna use my embossing buddy here. Make sure there's quite a bit of powder, because I don't want the embossing powder to stick to any of the ink where I just stamped. Okay, so now I'm going to emboss Merry Christmas and my swirls in white. I'll bring over some white and the Versamark, which is like a sticky ink pad that's going to help the powder stick to where I stamp. And I've got it inked up nice and juicy. So I'm going to stamp Merry Christmas in the middle. And then I'm going to do swirl number 1. And swirl number 2. And then we'll get some powder on this. Okay, pretty good. It mostly stuck to where I wanted it to, but we've got a little bit, let's see, that stuck to the stamped Christmas area. But I'm just going to use a dry brush to kind of brush those away. and try and see if I can just tap it off. Okay, I think that should be good. Put this aside and put the Versamark aside, and I'm going to grab some tweezers. And I'm going to heat this up. You'll see the powder start to melt and become glossy right there. All right, and now we can just put some dimensionals on this piece. And we'll attach that right in the center here. Then we're gonna add a little bit of bling with the wonderful gems that's also in the holiday catalog. I'm just gonna use my take your pick tool to lift these up and put them in place. One over here, and we'll do one over here. And voila, I have my Christmas card. So I'm offering a Celebration Tidings class, and it consists of this Christmas card, this fall card, and the Halloween treat toppers and bags, candy not included. It would melt probably or get squashed in the mail. But if you go to my website, elainescreations.net, and you enter my October hostess code and place a $30 order, just send me an email and let me know that you would like the Celebration Tidings bundle kit, and I will send it to you for free. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so you're notified every time I have a new video come out. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.